Hi, Joe Cerrone.
Oh, Rosen.
Welcome to CAD 117, Intermediate AutoCAD online with our weekly Zoom meeting. Al, let's talk about the multiple choice exam for the final.
Fantastic. We have a multiple choice exam coming up. It's going to be available on December 7th at 8 o'clock in the morning. It runs all the way through December 16th at 11:30 at night. Please do not try to go over that time because it locks you out at 11:31. It's going to be with honor lock. It's going to cost $11, so you're not paid for it already. $6 or $11, depending on how you want to do it. You will need a photo ID of some kind and a webcam to take the exam.
That's right. And the exam will be located under quizzes and exams. And there is a practice exam and there's also a final exam.
Right.
So that you can take the practice exam as many times as you'd like. It's a multiple choice, very much like the midterm. And then the final exam is also multiple choice. And it will cover modules 1 through 8.
Right. And if you have the practice exam, please feel free to take some notes with it, because some of the things might be on the main test if you want to say, and we see what happens. You can take it as many times you want. It's unlimited.
Right. I think as we look at how much we were able to cover and with the current situation with the pandemic and things, we just wanted to make sure that we were able to cover the material and then meet the requirements for the course. And so as we look at it, multiple choice covers covers modules 1 through 8. And then you'll take that using honor lock the week of December 7th through the 16th. And the 16th is due by 11:30 p.m. It's sort of the cutoff. It actually says the 15th. But the 15th is for the
hands-on drawing.
The hands-on drawing. And then here we go. The multiple choice is due the 16th, and that's 11:30 p.m. Right, Al?
That is correct.
All right. So I think that's pretty clear. Multiple choice, go into quizzes and exams, take the exam using honor lock, and you're all set with that component.
And now we're going to part 2, please. And part 2 is a hands-on drawing. You have to need to have it's a 3D in front of you, but you need a front, top, and side view. Isometric view, as you see it there, is extra. If you want to do it, you get 30 points extra on your final exam numbers.
That's right. And so the final exam for this course is going to be to draw the front, top, and right side view, dimension those views, and then as a bonus, create the 3-dimensional drawing or the isometric. Is that right, Al?
That is perfect.
So that's basically it. We've got everything pretty much in hand. All assignments are due on the 16th.
That is correct.
So the 16th is our date for everything needs to be in. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always email us or instant message us here on D2L. And we look forward to working with you. Is there anything else that we need to cover as we go into wrapping this up, Al?
No, we'd like to thank you very much. You did a great job for us this semester under what we would say a big pandemic area. And we couldn't do it one-to-one with you.
Yeah, I think it's good to have something to do during these times, and CAD is a great way that we can have some valid work, be able to build our skills, and we've been teaching these CAD courses for quite some time. So we look forward to working with you in the future, and hope that you got good base knowledge of intermediate AutoCAD. And with that, I'm going to wrap this up. Stay safe. Have a happy holiday.